Hey guys, Zach Townsend, T&T Agronomy here. Behind us, we have the 1790 John Deere planter. We're doing a precision planting build. Follow along, we'll show you what we're doing. We have a customer's 1790 planter here. It's a 2012 John Deere. They brought it to us fully stocked. And since then, they brought it to us about the 1st of August, and we've got about 140 hours in this project. We're about ready to wrap it up. We're really excited to see this thing run. So far, what we've got on there is we've got our speed tube, our high-speed planting system. We have Delta Force, our active hydraulic downforce system, and then we're going to run the V-set V-drive meter, so it's electric drive planter now. We also have 4 rows of smart firmer on this planter, so we're going to measure soil temperature, soil moisture, clean furrow, and CEC as well. So we have the ability to map CEC. We also have the ability to variable rate plant based off our CEC levels here across the field. So very cool technology, and we're excited to see this thing run.